This is
Come
wild.
take a look. They're all on the lawn. They fly away pretty quickly.
It's amazing. There's like
It's
thousands of
kind
them.
lucky.
I can see it from here.
It's really cool. Just like flying by the window too. So many.
I would get Starling.
Yeah.
Oh wait, that one does look like it has a blue. Mom, what was the one with the blue?
Look at that. This is crazy.
The blue head. One of them did look a little bluish on the head.
Oh, go look at the book again. The crackles, I think.
Oh, yeah, maybe that's what that is. The house at the end looks so different.
Yes, it's more like tear it down and start over than a remodel, than an addition.
Oh, why? Did they take down a lot of what was there?
Yes.
Oh, I wonder why.
No. When I talked to him, he said they had a new baby.